नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी, गाज़ियाबाद NCR दिल्ली। ओम सच्ची जनवानी चैनल द ट्रूथ स्पीक्स चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को शेयर, लाइक, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें। सेंट्रल बैंक के विषय में है एक मैसेज है, ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। ये न्यू चेंजेस इन CBS फंक्शनलिटीज़ implemented today. Number 1, maker checker concept in cash deposit received correction. At the time of correction of the cash deposit transaction, maker checker concept has implemented in CBS with effect from 17 April 24. Number 2, PAN verification from NSDL. For PAN verification, customer first name and last name was mandatory. Branches for this scenario changes has been implemented in CBS. Now branches is required to feed dot in last name field so that PAN can verify from NSDL. New changes in CBS functionaries during 8th April 24 to 12 April 24. Number 1, NEFT bulk upload through single check. At present, branches have been provided functionality of NEFT bulk upload through transfer voucher option that is considered as EFT in CBS system as per instruction received from Operations Department Central Office. Voucher option will not be available in future, and for security and safety of branch customer, all bulk upload NEFT will be initiated through check mode, that is check in CBS system. In this, customer will provide single check for multiple NEFT, that is single debit through check and multiple credit through NEFTs. The said functionality is live only in branch under Mumbai Metro Zonal Office. The same will be rolled out in different zones step by step. ये जो सर्विस है वो भी जानकारी ले सकते हैं इससे। न्यू चेंजेस इन CBS फंक्शनलिटी ड्यूरिंग 1 April 24 to 6 April 24. Number 1, as per income tax instructions, there are changes in process of validation in PAN in CIF. As per the revised guidelines for PAN verification, branch user will be required to feed details, that is name of PAN card and date of birth, date of incorporation in case of non-personal, father name only for personal PAN, etc. in the input along with PAN for verification of PAN. If any field is not fed by user in CBS while going for PAN validation, PAN number will not be verified from NSDL and CBS will show error. Enter name, father name, date of birth for PAN validation. Please refer help desk announcement for details. Job card for the functionality has been kept in CBS help menu. ये जो सर्विस कर रहे हैं सेंट्रल बैंक, उनको ध्यान करना चाहिए, उनके लिए ये खास तौर से। नेक्स्ट है न्यू चेंजेस इन CBS फंक्शनलिटीज़ ड्यूरिंग 1 April 24 to 6 April 24, ये अलग है। Number 1, functionality panel charges as per instructions of Credit Monitoring Department with effect from 1 April 24. Application of panel interest has been discontinued in CBS. Accordingly, instead of panel interest, panel charges along with applicable GST will be applied in the accounts. Panel charges will not be taken into consideration for calculation of interest. Number 2, new screen in CBS for locker agreement. A new screen of 35140 has been developed in CBS to capture whether the locker agreement has been executed or not. Number 3, implementation of new SMS for issuer transactions with ATM locator for our bank customer using other banks ATM for financial or non-financial transactions. We will be sending link for all bank ATM locations थ्रू SMS। तो दोस्तों, ये जो सर्विस कर रहे हैं उनके लिए जो अपडेट्स आई हैं ये उनके लिए सेंट्रल बैंक के कर्मचारियों के लिए, सेंट्रल बैंक के अधिकारियों के लिए। और फिलहाल इसमें इतना ही। नमस्कार। माई मोबाइल नंबर 8588898205, राजेश कुमार त्यागी, गाजियाबाद। धन्यवाद साथियों, नमस्कार।